Hello, here with another health conscious quick lunch meal. A lot of people run out and do fast food for lunch, and they say that it's eating healthy is expensive and it takes a lot of time. And no, the answer is no. This particular one is rapidly becoming my favorite brand. It was not on sale at Target. I paid $4.29, which you can't beat that at a fast food restaurant. I usually try to grab them on sale, but they really looked good, and we needed them for home to bring in for the office. So this is the brand Fat Rabbit. This is the Green Riot Verde, and 240 calories. It looks a little bit carb heavy, so it's 31 grams of net carbs, which if you're on keto is not going to qualify. And look at all the colors and everything in there, all kinds of good stuff for you, which is what we want. We want that broad, all kinds of different colors for our food. And the only thing I don't like is this is in a plastic container. Not my favorite. I'd rather see it to be a paper-based product, but it is what it is for now. And always, I've got my high phytonutrient iced mocha, 2 shots of organic cocoa, or 2 shots of organic coffee espresso, about a teaspoon of cacao, and top it off with dark chocolate almond milk. And so, as always, I'm going to sign off and go eat my lunch.